And then parking is like $80 in New York. We have silken tofu coming out. Does anybody remember this one sleeve top? So this makes up for a very interesting observation about husbands. That if you leave them alone and send them grocery shopping, you get the most interesting bag of groceries. So I have to show this to you guys. प्याज, tomatoes, ये तो normal चीज़ें हैं, चलो ठीक है. This I didn't even ask for. We have toothpicks. And not just regular toothpicks. Cinnamon, tea tree oil and menthol toothpicks. I don't know how fancy we are, but we have this. We discussed paranthes, but not so many paranthes, so I don't know what he was thinking. This is again a very random thing. Dude, what the hell is this?
What?
What is this?
That's toothpaste.
Why does our toothpaste look like this? What happened to Colgate?
They didn't have Colgate, and this was like some vegan stuff.
What the
They
heck?
have written vegan. See?
I know we're in a healthy phase, but like, what's wrong with you?
Plant-based. So it's plant-based.
Sorry, I'm vlogging terribly, like the framing.
Okay.
We didn't. This guy is making chicken curry tomorrow and he's getting plant-based toothpaste.
That's
Why?
for you. That's for you. I
I'm
do
not
care
vegan.
about you.
Oh, shut up.
Oh,
All right. So he's also in a healthy phase, like I clearly mentioned. Let's ignore the knife that's randomly here. Please hold it. Silken tofu. You guys have seen those Instagram recipes of silken tofu and then some chocolate powder. We have a bunch of chocolate at home, but no, of course, he loves chopping. So, taza chocolate. Very nice. Sabse taza. Super dark because, of course, healthy, right? So, yeah, he's apparently going to make some vegan, healthy chocolate mousse pudding out of this. Then we have these cute oranges that I've tried for the first time in my life here in the US. And organic cuties. It's these, I call them Golgappa sized oranges, all right? Like you can fit the whole thing in your mouth. But as you can see, like this one has fungus and there was like one that was completely white, and which is when we noticed that Sape got a really bad bag of oranges. We've started this vlog mid unpacking. All right, this is one normal thing that he's gotten, which is orange juice. 100%. And he started to get like not a regular Tropicana, Papa John's or Uncle John's, but no. We get the most pure and organic and sugarless, waterless juice. And let's ask him how expensive this juice is.
Oh yeah, so I felt like splurging. Like nahi, matlab kharidne ke baad I felt like I splurged, and it made me feel bad because it's too expensive. So now we are thinking instead we'll just buy a cold pressed juicer, and that will be much more cheaper than
We're not thinking of getting a juicer. I am being forced into buying a juicer because I just did not want more kitchen
Yeah,
appliances.
this is 1/3 the price of a juicer, dude. Seriously.
That's how expensive the juice is. 3 बार लो तो एक juicer आ सकता है.
Yeah.
And you're buying that juice. Yes, we'll get a juicer.
Yeah, we'll
Oh my
get a
god. Guys, husbands and grocery shopping is weird. Does anybody remember this one sleeve top? I feel like ये सब बहुत, it's not a very new style anymore. Like you can tell that this must be something old, and I feel like this is something I've always worn, and it was like one of those YouTube tops that I used to feel like I look really good in.
Yeah.
And
I remember this top. This is from. Okay, let's talk after the vlog.
now just say it, okay? Otherwise,
As I was going to say, it's like I remember some of your clothes from different time eras when you were dating. I was like, is this right? That's why I wasn't saying it. You said you say
okay, I
it.
can cut it.
Okay, cut.
Now that's gonna be, the whole thing is gonna be big. We don't want things like that in the vlog. By the way, we're drinking the expensive juice.
Is it good? You don't like it?
It's so pure that
you
I don't
like.
want to say it's good. I mean, obviously, thoda wo bitterness is
Bitterness,
always there in
yes.
juice, right? Like it's not the sweetest tasting juice,
Yeah.
but then you just know that it's like just juicer juice, which will now be something we'll be getting.
Yes, it's cold pressed, 100% orange, no sugar, no pulp.
They move it?
And it's not opening. My what number? Is it something written on the transcode sticker tag?
So I just posted on my story that I get why Americans are obsessed with, you know, sunny days.
Yeah.
And just like look at that view. I remember when I came here in March, April, I was so, oh my god, my camera is just focusing on you. Even
It loves
the
me.
camera knows which view is better.
Oh yeah. Oh, really?
Guys, did you see we put a Ganeshji in our car? So we're going to work in a cafe over there right now because that's what we do.
Stupid rounds, and now we have to reverse back because we can't park in that stupid.
Oh yeah, you went into no parking.
Yeah.
Lol. I'm not the only one जिसको गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता. हम लोगों ने गाड़ी ले लिया है, but दोनों को लाइसेंस मिले हुए सिर्फ like it's been 3-4 months. It's going to be 4 months since I got my license. It's going to be what, like 7-8 months. So even he doesn't even have like a 1 year experience
Dude, in
yet.
May, I would have 1 year experience. So
Okay, fine.
it's
You're reaching there. 11 months,
11
fine.
months.
But yeah, we still go into no parkings. We still don't know how to parallel park sometimes. So it's tough. And then parking is like $80 in New York. They've just put a $15 congestion tax to go from Jersey City to New York, which makes no sense. We're already paying the toll on the tunnel. On top of that, there's a congestion tax, which people are still against. But let's see if that happens.
I hope it doesn't work out, dude.
I hope so. Otherwise, so basically, if this tax gets levied, that's an additional $500 per month for someone who wants to go from Jersey to New York, like every day, because a lot of people live here. Because New York, by the way, like a lot of you might not know this, that there's a separate state tax on your income if you live in New York City. Which is inside the New York state, and if you live just like 20 minutes away in Jersey, you don't get that income tax on your
That's
thing.
local tax. Yeah, state tax is everywhere, but then there is local tax as well as city tax in New York. So there are 2 additional taxes if you're living in New York. But that comes out to be like, I would say, compared to New Jersey, you're paying like 2% extra taxes, and that 2% on like whatever salary is, that makes up a big amount.
So basically, if the congestion tax gets levied, I think baat barabar ho jayegi, because you won't actually end up saving any significant money anymore.
Oh, yeah.
You might as well live in Manhattan and Brooklyn and be like, okay, I'm gonna live that
Oh
life.
no. Even the people who are living in Manhattan have to pay that congestion charge if they are living above 60th Street. So anybody who is entering 60th Street has to pay that charge.
Oh, that's okay. So most of the people live below 60th Street. That's another thing.
Yeah.
I did not
60th
know this
yeah.
caveat. Is that?
Yeah.
Guys, the word caveat has a funny story to it. I didn't know what this word means, and I've heard it, but then I keep confusing it with the word cadaver, which means a dead body. And caveat means, I'm sure like a lot of you know what caveat means. It was just me sometimes, yes, I don't know the meaning of something or the pronunciation of something, so that I'm sure that happens to all of us. So he's been using it a lot in his like work meetings, and I keep listening to it. So I asked him the other day, then I forgot again he's using it in a conversation, and I'm in the other room on my laptop googling caveat meaning. I'm like, damn it, I keep forgetting it. So now I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use it in my language. So we just learned how to use the word caveat, and apparently I did it right.
Yeah, nice. Good job.
Anyway, now it's work time. Tell me you can have enough of this weather. I think I've missed this summer view so much. Like, we used to come here to walk every single day. It's been ages.
Yeah.
This was the place where I once did not even see my own husband sitting. I just walked right past him. Oh, you have to see this new artwork. There's this new artwork that got installed at this place, Exchange Place. Do you see? And it's called Many Faces. This happens in a bunch of... This one is called A Stroke of Genius, but it's the Many Faces art collection. So this is like a really cool thing, dude. Like, imagine the kind of pictures you could take here. And this is the other one. Wow, that is very, very good. Like those two lips, like, do you see?
Not only that, they all are of different colors.
Inclusivity of skin tones. And there's something musical happening over here. That's the cafe where we're going to work. I wish we could just sit outside, dude. Why do we have to go inside to work? I'm not even joking. Headphones, Zindabad. This is like a yin-yang version of things. 0.5 is so much better. It is like such a cool Wow, like the view through these, or in fact, even through the eye. On today's episode of Satvik Cooks, we have vegan chocolate mousse in the process. This is my first time ever seeing molten chocolate, like with the proper powder path. And हम थोड़े fancy लोग हैं, तो हम cocoa powder नहीं लेते हैं, हम Lindt chocolates को खोल देते हैं. And then we put that in there. He also got this Taza chocolate. I think I showed that in the previous grocery haul, right?
Yeah.
We have silken tofu coming out. Let's see how this looks. What I'm looking at is like how messy our kitchen is. This is not an aesthetic kitchen at all, but it is what it is. That looks so yummy. We haven't even blended it yet.
How is it pouring?
Can I lick it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you're saying yes?
Yeah.
Here's the final product. My hand is holding mine, which has a little bit of salt and espresso powder, which basically is coffee. And this guy prepares his own special version. And just look at the presentation difference. I mean, I did effort, but then, you know, those things that say like my plate of food and my husband's plate of food, this is him. Look at this garnish. What is that? Kesar? Oh my god, it looks beautiful. He's licking the blend.
Shut up.
Every single time. He cannot leave it. He's like caught red-handed person right now. It's okay, you can do it. It's fine. I'm not judging you. See, this is how it looks. We're currently working on it. It's about to be launched in like another 3 days, and it's pretty much all done. The book link works, the carousel is working. We had some issues with the height of these cards. And the faces of the people were getting cut off in the phone when you opened the website. So this is the kind of like, you know, raw, real behind the scenes. Like this is what's happening 3 days before the actual date. But yeah, we had these courses, the links have been working, we've gotten our reviews. This is really interesting. It's like, this is kind of like my favorite part about the website, that all the Instagram posts are basically getting fetched and that data is there. So basically, I don't change these images, they are just linked to Instagram automatically. You know what, guys, I love you guys so much that I keep on adding pages to the ebook, which was originally supposed to be 108, but I'll be honest, it's a little over that. I'll let you see the rest of the book and everything else yourself, and I am just super excited about this one. It's just been on my mind day and night. This is what keeps me awake at night. You know that, oh, website pe wo word wahan likhna hai and isko change karna hai. And obviously like putting in the effort to get the photo shoot done for like the 3 days to go post. And yeah, I'm making it all like marketing wise. I don't usually put like this much effort. You know, if I had put in like a workshop, this is not the kind of hype I would be doing about it. But it's kind of fun, like it is that big of a deal.